Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to install a bash plate for your Nissan Patrol. And this is the bash plate we'll be installing. This particular one, the Billy Goat brand, claims to be the thickest available on the market at 5mm thick, and it certainly looks it. And the tools we'll need are a simple 12mm 3/8" drive socket, maybe a screwdriver, some thread locker, and we'll be using the existing fasteners on the vehicle to mount it. From the factory, the Patrol comes with a plastic guard which protects the steering rod and possibly a bit of the radiator. So that's what we'll be replacing today, this flimsy guard here. And there are the 4 mounting points, so there's 2 on each side. So we'll take those fasteners off, reuse them, and replace that whole guard. So that's what it looks like without that plastic guard. There's a big tube welded in, possibly some brake lines, and also there's the radiator just there. So this is the old plastic guard, very flimsy, that we'll be replacing with this heavy duty steel bash plate. And these are the 4 M8 fasteners that we'll be reusing. And you can see they're a bit dirty, so I'm just going to give them a quick clean with WD-40 over here. And once we do that, once they're clean, then we'll put some thread locker and then attach them back. What is important to know is these factory fasteners don't have a grade rating. So we'll assume they're a minimum of 4.6, so it's not high tensile. So we'll still use a thread locker, but we're not going to torque them up too high. It may be that we have to purchase some new higher strength fasteners for us to use after. So having installed the bash plate, there's still a bit of a gap between this guard, the new guard, and where the radiator bottom tank sits. So maybe it's worth just making up another guard. It wouldn't be too hard to pick up on the 3 holes over here, and also the 3 holes on the other side to make up a steel guard. So fitment was pretty straightforward, and it was very easy to fit. There was no need to re-drill any holes or cut any grooves in the bash plate, so it's a fantastic product. It's actually made here in Melbourne, Australia, so it's always good to support a local business and get a good quality product. So that's how you successfully install a Nissan Patrol bash plate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.